Here's today's truth bomb, and it's one I wish more people heard sooner. Some people act early when they get information. Others put their head in the sand. It's not about intelligence. It's not about caring. It's about whether the body is still compensating. Truth bomb. Most common diagnoses don't appear suddenly. High blood pressure, type 2 diabetes, kidney disease, hormone disorders. They show up after years of compensation. Before the diagnosis, the body works harder to keep labs normal. It raises pressure to keep blood moving. It pushes harder to control blood sugar. It filters under strain to protect vital organs. During this phase, people are often told, "Your labs are okay, just keep an eye on it." And here's the next truth bomb. Okay does not mean healthy. It means the body is still paying the price behind the scenes. Symptoms usually come first: fatigue, weight changes, poor sleep, brain fog. Abnormal labs come later when compensation is gone. And it's the truth bomb most people miss. Education is empowering only when it arrives before the consequence. Normal labs aren't reassurance, they're an opportunity. In the coming videos, I'm going to show you how this exact pattern plays out in the most common diagnoses and what earlier action actually protects. Because waiting until labs change is waiting until the work is harder. I'll see you tomorrow.